Hello everyone, friends. Weller here. Today, I'll show you what to do if your iPhone isn't receiving incoming calls. For this, go to Settings and check a few things. First, check your blocked contacts list. Okay? You must do this because maybe you're just not seeing their calls. Next, check silence for incoming calls. Here it is. The same thing exists in FaceTime. There. And the same thing is in phone, but we need phone. So yeah, scroll down here. And here it should be off. Call filtering should also be off. Here's where blocked contacts are. Also check if you have anyone blocked who should be calling you. That's one of those mistakes. Next. And if that didn't help, try restarting your phone and make sure you have the latest software version right here. Oh, and you can also try simply restart. I already mentioned restarting. Then also check if you have focus mode on. Make sure to check that it's disabled or silent mode. That's all. This was Weller. Bye everyone.